I have not done a live unboxing in so long. I arrived home from my walk to a huge box on my porch, which I realized was Jersey Fresh prize box. If you don't know, Jersey Fresh, the marketing for New Jersey, first in the country, by the way, celebrating 40 years. Please know I did change my shirt for this unboxing to agriculture. You can't live without it. Thank you, Wandering Maverick Boutique, for that. I'm about to reveal what you could be entered to win if you participate in the weekly contest, Instagram and Facebook, that Jersey Fresh has. I felt like I was kind of lucky to be the winner, and I have not looked at the box other than to open the lid up. So I have 2 Jersey Fresh koozies, a Jersey Fresh hat, always great for out walking, blocking the sun, a pair of shades, probably will use in my classroom. I don't know if I could actually see from them. Jersey Fresh pen, that might be upside down. A Jersey Fresh, I'm gonna go with reusable bag, so I'm not gonna open it. Stop for Jersey Fresh magnet, definitely gonna go on the board this school year. Oh my gosh, oh, I know what it is. Okay, I may not spend a lot of time in the kitchen, but I bet it's one of these little flexible cutting boards that you chop up, then you, I don't know, then you like pour into your thing. Okay, lots of shredded paper. We're gonna keep that in there. Jersey Fresh shopping bag to make sure that I get to the farmer's market, get my Jersey Fresh produce home in it. Oh my goodness, hang on, standing up for this one. Ooh. See it, Jersey Fresh beach towel or pool towel. And lastly, a Jersey Fresh 40-year celebration grill kit. Just note that you still have opportunities to enter the Jersey Fresh promo this summer. Every week they put a new question up. You try to answer the question. Random winners are selected. Plus, coming to a boardwalk possibly near you, Atlantic City, Wildwood, Seaside Heights on, I believe, August 22nd, is the Peach giveaway, where there are prize wheels where you might be able to win your own Jersey Fresh hat, koozie, bag, frisbees, that sort of thing. And final promo for Jersey Fresh, it is Farmers Market Week still. So use the Jersey Fresh website, explore Jersey Fresh, and you could be a winner too.